What if I told you that looking elegant has almost nothing to do with how much money you spend? You could wear a $20 outfit and look more sophisticated than someone wearing $2,000 because elegance isn't about the price tag. It's about knowing what makes an outfit look expensive and what instantly ruins it. So if you want to look polished without constantly shopping, here are 5 secrets that will completely change the way you dress. So before we continue, if you want to look elegant and stylish on a budget, make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll make you that woman. So let's begin. 1. Make your outfit look intentional. The fastest way to make an affordable outfit look expensive is to make it look like you planned it, instead of throwing on random pieces, because they look good individually. Think about the entire outfit as one picture. Your top should make sense with your bottom. Your shoes should make sense with the occasion. Your bag shouldn't look completely disconnected from everything else. Even something as simple as matching the tone of your shoes with another element of your outfit can make everything feel more put together. The goal isn't to make people think, wow, she must have spent a lot of money. It's to make them think she has really good style. And there's a huge difference. 2. Learn the power of proportion. This is one of the easiest ways to make basic clothes look elevated. If you're wearing something oversized on top, balance it with something more structured or streamlined on the bottom. If your trousers are wide leg, try a more fitted or tucked in top. If you're wearing a loose dress, define the silhouette with the way you style it. You don't need expensive clothing to create a beautiful silhouette. You simply need to understand balance. Once you start paying attention to proportion, you will notice that some outfits look effortlessly chic, even though the individual pieces are extremely simple. 3. Stop trying to look expensive. This might sound strange, but hear me out. Trying too hard to look rich can actually make an outfit look less elegant. Huge logos, fake designer part patterns, too many flashy pieces, extremely complicated outfits. That's not necessarily elegant. Instead, focus on looking refined. Choose pieces because they are beautiful, not because they make people think you spent a fortune. A simple dress with beautiful structure can look more sophisticated than a shirt covered in logos. Real elegance doesn't need to announce its price. 4. Have a few instantly elegant outfit formulas. You don't need to create a completely new outfit every single day. Create a few combinations that you already know work. For example, a simple blouse plus tailored trousers, plus elegant shoes, a fitted top, straight leg jeans plus structured bag, a simple dress plus minimal jewelry and sleek shoes. Once you find your formulas, repeat them, change the colors, change the shoes, change the bag, but keep the formula. This saves money because you are no longer constantly buying new clothes just because you don't know what to wear. And ironically, having fewer options can actually make your style better. 5. Master the one thing money can't buy. And this is the secret I want you to remember. Elegance is a behavior, not just an outfit. The way you walk, the way you speak, the way you treat people, the way you carry yourself. Do you remain composed instead of desperately trying to impress everyone around you? You could be wearing the most affordable outfit in the room and still have the strongest presence. Because when someone is genuinely comfortable with themselves, you can't feel it. And that's why the most elegant person in the room isn't always the person wearing the most expensive clothes. Sometimes it's simply the person who doesn't need to prove anything. So before you spend your money buying another luxury-looking piece, remember these 5 things. Make your outfit looks intentional. Master your proportions. Stop trying to look rich. Create reliable outfit formulas. And most importantly, work on your presence. Because elegance isn't about something you purchase. It's something you cultivate. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to look elegant and stylish on your budget, please do well. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.